All right, so this is a 2004 Acura MDX. The customer got the parts. I think she got it from Rock Auto. I'm not exactly sure, but we're going to be doing the low control arms in and out of tie rods. So the first thing you guys want to do is actually, I put the brake on already, so I know it's not going to roll. And let's just jack this up. Let's see here, where we at? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's get this up. And then next, we're going to be taking off the wheel. And then let's drop this down some. All right. Smooth as well. Alright, so let's start on this tie rod here. So move this clip, fill that back, and then on the inside you got a clip here that we need to break. It's a one-time clip, so I just got my pliers on here. I'm just trying to snap it, or I could use a punch. There we go. Let's see here. There we go. I think 1 or 2 turns should be fine. That's good. The next, we're going to move this castle nut here in this lock ring. Okay. So let's take this, straighten this out, and here we go. And now we're going to move this nut, which is a 19. You take your 19, put on the tie rod, let's remove it. There's our 19. Now we're gonna move the tie rod. We're replacing this tie rod, so it doesn't matter if we damage the boot or not. It's being replaced. So, you gotta move it. Come on, girl. Here we go. And now count the rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. I had to remove this nut. Remove this nut. Okay. There she go. This is the 19. And now we're gonna remove this boot. Here we go. Okay. Next thing you want to do is we got the inner tie rod tool on. Got my wrench. Let's just break it free. Here we go. Get it. Yep, we got it. And now I can just remove it by hand. Starting the threads. See how stiff that is? That's how it should be. Alright, now let's just tighten this down. Once you loosen up the cotter pin, I'm going to take a 22mm. I'm going to put it on this castle nut. I'm going to loosen it up. Here we go. This up. Might be able to do it by hand. Not yet. Now we can do it by hand. Take it off. Next, we're going to take the ball joint separator and then separate it from the knuckle. We are going to damage the boot, but it doesn't matter, because we're replacing this. Alright, so let's see if I get this up here. Nothing yet. Here we go. Broke that free. You can see these mounts are bad. Look. See all that play? Alright. Next thing, we're going to move this nut, which is, this nut is a 19. Let's break this free. There we go. Yep. There you go. Let's remove this now. First one, 19. And the next one is over here. Let's see if I'll be able to move it. Hopefully it's the 19 as well. Yep, it's the 19. See if they're the same size. No, they're different. The longer one goes on this side of the mounting bolt. Okay, and next, what you can do is pull out the low control arm. See here? I'm able to pop this out. Shouldn't be like that at all. These bushings are bad. This one's going bad. See, you got a little play there. The ball joint was fine, but it's an assembly, and plus I damaged the boot trying to take it off anyway. So let's get the low control arm. You can actually press in and out this ball joint. I actually will be greasing it as well. See here, it has a C-clip there. Actually, I'm going to grease it right now. There she go, look nice and full. It's pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna install it the same way I removed it. So here's a shorter one. Take a 19 and start the threads by hand. And you know that the threads are starting when you try to pull on the bolt and it doesn't come out. And here's a longer one. All right, let's try to push this back some. There we go. Okay. Let's get that through. All right, start by hand. Okay, let's get these in there. There's one, and here's two. I'll loosen this up a bit. Just so I can easily get this low control arm to the knuckle. Alright, let's see here. Try to position this forward some. See if I can align it. Here we go. I know you guys couldn't see much, but she's in there. Okay. Also over here as well. Okay. We're going to do this tie rod. Let's straighten her out. There we go. I think it's a 19. No, it's 21, isn't it? What size is this? 21? No, it's not 21. Yep, it's 22. Let's tighten this up. Here we go. And next, I'm gonna leave this here because I know we're gonna have to do the wheel alignment. At least I can get it a little bit less straightforward. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then you'll be done. Okay. Customer needs sway bar end links next. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing to the other side, and I'll see you guys on a test drive. I'm not going to show you the wheel alignment because you probably should take it to the shop anyway. But yeah, pretty much that's it. I'll see you guys on test drive. So we're done the wheel alignment. I got it pretty much so she could at least drive it and be safe, but I definitely did tell her she do still want to go it's pretty much to the alignment shop and get it done. So there's that wheel, and there's that wheel. I don't know, the camera, if it's at an angle, it's probably gonna make it seem like it's really off, but the steering wheel straight. brake. She needs some fuel. She will need sway bar end links, and she also needs a belt too. Okay. And she will need rear brake pads soon. Let's see if we're good. And I feel like she could use a brake flush. I mean, the pedal is good, but I feel slight travel. Feels firm. Alright, and that's it. Always remember, for better, faster service, Quick Fix here.